Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stick text to your footage. Super easy. First, what you want to do is hit this. I'm going to go into Fusion. Don't be afraid, it's super easy. Make sure to click the median in 1 and go to Shift Spacebar. Pull up your select tool and then you can type in tracker. Alright, go to that. What you want to do is grab up here and say you want to track the head. Go to the head, track it, and inside this little box is going to be where it's going to be tracking, and outside here is where it's going to be able to find it if it gets lost. It needs to be really contrasty to get tracked well, but it doesn't matter if it doesn't. You can click off that, bring the text in, but what you want to do, make sure the playhead is at the very start, and come in here, track forward. Alright, gonna track backwards real quick, and then what you want to gonna do is come into operation, hit match move. If you don't, you won't be able to see your text, but make sure you start from this side, connect it to the tracker, and then type in something, say text. Alright, that's good. Then you'll be able to see the text, and you can kind of just move it wherever, say next is head. And then it's stuck right there, or even if you wanted to, you can just come over here, grab the text, make sure to click it, say I want it there. But that is it, guys. I will see you in the next one.